going inside. Yep. Yep. Okay, yeah. Can I record from here? There. Isaac, can you turn that down? Holy cow.
I'm glad you come inside now.
Yeah, just leave the door open.
He
wants to hear it.
can hear it from the window.
We'll see where that goes.
It's too scary.
Hang on, Isaac. Buddy, can you turn that down? Just be quiet, stop whinging, okay?
It's too scary.
Shut up. Don't worry, Isaac. You're safe in here. It's not gonna get you. It's not gonna get you, Isaac. Lightning is out.
Where are they?
Isaac, just pretend that it's a normal storm, but big. Far out. Mum, is it black over us?
Red.
Just red. Oh, snap. Yeah, I know. I saw that. I'm inside, Mum. Lucky I wasn't at the daycare thing. Or getting videos from there. That was weird.
That is, yeah.
No, no. It's all the way over there, I think.
That's seriously close. That's what I would not even sit there.
I saw that it was close because the what is it? That car, it got a reflection off the car, so that's when you know.
Yeah, that's very, very.
That was only like one. That was only one that was like really close. Now that was close. Imagine how all my other friends like jacking that. They're like, what the heck? Is Dad in the storm? Nah. Oh, yeah. Hang on, Isaac. Yeah.
You can go in your room, you won't hear.
Yeah, shut the door.
Hello, do you hear that? You answered that in time. Hello, are you there? Did you just hear that as you answered your phone? I reckon that the thunder is cracking and the lightning looks like it's inside the house. It's so active and full on. Oh my
Oh,
god.
there's another one.
Cracking, hun. Heaps of them. I said to Oscar, you can't see in the balcony. Yeah, well that was a minor one, like that was normally a big one, but that's minor compared to what's happening right now. It is like intense.
That's lucky I'm inside, or I'd actually be dead.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hail.
Oh, hope we don't get hail.
No, we're getting hail right now.
Same hail. Okay.
Wait, no, it's just rain,
Bye.
I think.
You've got a big timber.
Where was that? Was that right down the road?
That's literally right on top of us.
That was right down on the road. Holy cow! Oh, I can feel that. Holy! Oh my god. Yeah, start recording this. I can't go inside, guys, because it's actually really dangerous. That was right down the road ahead. Another close one.
It could easily hit our house, eh? If it hits your house, it can actually catch fire. What it happens is it goes boom, it smashes your tiles, and it goes through to your roof ceiling, and it can actually burn a hole and your house catches fire.
Do you get like the flash thing?
But you like them, but they're not that great.
I've never experienced when it's still my face.
Just be really quite
Get the fire extinguisher out, like just in case.
Just in case.
It's probably stupid, but
If it is, mate, we'll be jumping in the car.
what? Fire?
Oh, if it's
My heart is actually beating. Mom, I actually want to pray to God and say it's actually like to stop this, like not too severe. Was that hit right there? Did that hit right there?
no, it was close.
Well, if we go outside, we're gonna get hit. Mum, shut my window, shut everything. Fire out. Oh my goodness. I'd like stay away from the flipping window and we're gonna get struck. This is actually dangerous. Oh my goodness. Sorry if you think this is weird, guys, but I'm actually going to pray to God. Not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. I'm just going to pray to God, okay?